Hello everyone, this is Isha Kumari from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore, from the Department of Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence, and here is a presentation on business intelligence. So the topic for today is an early framework for computerized decision support. Introduction to an early framework for computerized decision support. Definition: computerized decision support refers to systems that provide users with recommendations or support for making decisions based on data inputs. Historical context: the development of early frameworks for CDS, which is computerized design support, began in the 1960s and 1970s. These frameworks focused on solving structured and semi-structured problems using computational methods. Now the definition is clear that it refers to the system that provides user with recommendation or support for making decisions. So the basic concept of this is it helps in making decision, as the name suggests itself. So the next is historical background. So as we saw in this slide that the development of early framework for CDS began in the 1960s and 1970s. So coming to the historical background, 1960s and 1970s, the era marked the emergence of Management Information System (MIS), which laid the groundwork for CDS. Now the key developments. So decision making tables and trees introduced to structure decision problems, optimization algorithms developed to find the best decision based on set criteria, influential figures. So Herbert A. Simon pioneered decision making theories and artificial intelligence. J.C.R. Lingder promoted human computerized interaction and early AI concepts. So the next is components of early decision support system. The components are data management, model management, and user interface, which are in detail, data management systems collected and organized data from various sources for analysis. Now model management, it involves the use of algorithm and models to process data and generate decision options. Then user interface, which is designed for users to interact with the system, input data, and receive recommendations. So the components are data management, model management, and user interface. Next, coming to example systems, Dendral 1965. So this is an example. So Dendral, an AI system developed for chemical analysis, which used data and inference rules to hypothesize molecular structures. Then there was Mycene in 1970s, a rule-based expert system created to identify bacterial infections and recommend treatments. It utilized a knowledge based on medical rules and patient data to provide advice. So this Mycene was a rule-based expert system created to identify bacterial infection, and based on the infection it also used to recommend treatments. It was also utilized for a knowledge base of medical rules and patient data to provide advice. Next, coming to the key features of early framework. So rule based systems employed if then rule to derive conclusion for input data. So the if then rule, which we know already, was implied, and it is one of the key features of early framework. Then optimization models used mathematical algorithm to determine the optimal solution for a set of possible choices. So it also uses mathematical algorithms, which we already know. Then simulation models simulated different scenarios to predict outcomes and assist in decision making. So it generates different scenarios for a particular problem statement, and it gives different solution for different problems. So it helps in easier decision making. So the next is benefits of early computerized decision support. which is increased efficiency, consistency, data utilization. Now coming to increased efficiency, automated processes reduces the time needed for decision making. So if a process is automated, for example, so it already knows what should be used in what circumstances. Already examples are given, data input is given, so it will help decision making faster, and it will reduce the time taken to make the decision. Next, coming to consistency, provided consistent recommendations by applying the same rules and models to all data inputs. Then data utilization, made effective use of large data set to generate informed decisions. So obviously it uses data set to generate decisions. Then coming to challenges faced. So the challenges faced in this is computational limitation, data quality, user acceptance. So in computational limitations, early systems were constrained by limited processing power and memory capacity. Data quality, accuracy and completeness of input data were crucial for reliable outputs, which was a significant challenge. Then user acceptance, there was resistance from users who were unfamiliar with or distrustful of computer-based system. Then the next is evolution and impact. Progress. CDS framework have evolved into sophisticated systems using AI and machine learning. Impact on industries: healthcare, finance, manufacturing. Healthcare, improved diagnosis and treatment planning. Finance, enhanced risk assessment and investment strategies. Manufacturing, optimized production processes and supply chain management. Integration, modern CDS systems are integrated with enterprise systems and the internet, providing real-time decision-making support. Coming to the conclusion, legacy is early framework for CDS lay the foundation for the advanced decision support we use today. Innovative ideas from early system continue to influence current technologies and methodologies. Then future directions. Advancement in algorithm, data integration and user interfaces will further revolutionize decision support systems, make them more powerful and user friendly. Thank you.